Good morning students, I am Shomajit sir. Today I am here to deliver my lecture on topic cattle farming. So this is from the chapter improvement in food resources. So without any delay, let's start with the topic cattle farming from the chapter improvement in food resources. So let's start. You can see very nice slides I have given. It is a very interesting topic. Here the lecture will be beneficial to it. So in the first slide you can see so different types of cattle have been given here. You can see in the next slide, see I have magnified those types. Here we'll study what are the importance of cattle, why we breed it, and what are the economic importance of it. So these are the different breeds of cattle. Next, these are the Indian breeds of cattle. Now, before moving to a cattle farming, let me first tell you what is animal husbandry. An animal husbandry is the scientific management of domestic animals in an efficient manner to obtain food and other useful products from them. Animal farming includes cattle, sheep, goat, poultry, and fish farming. Clear? So, what is the cattle farming? It is the raising of cattle for yield of milk by females and drought labor for agriculture work. Milch animals, these includes milk producing animals, these are female cattle. Drought animal, these are the animals which do not produce milk and are used for agriculture work. Another is lactation period, like female cattle give milk after birth of the calf, that's baby. The time duration for which she gives milk is called lactation period. Now what are the different breeds of cow? One is indigenous breed, one is exotic breed, another is hybrid breed. Indigenous breed, that means they are local or desi breed. For example, red sindhi and sahiwal, high lactation yield. Next is exotic breed. Indigenous breed means Indian origins. Those breed are of Indian origin. And exotic breed means those breed that are of, those are foreigner, like they are not from India. They are outside India, exotic. So they are foreign breeds. For example, Jersey and Brown Swiss, disease resistant species. Another is a hybrid breed. They are the offspring of cross between indigenous and exotic breed to get the desirable character. Clear? So one is indigenous, one is exotic, another is a hybrid. So some successful cross breeds are, one is Current Swiss, another is Current Fries. Current Swiss is a crossbreed between Brown Swiss and Sahiwal, and Current Fries is a cross between Holstein Friesian and Sahiwal. Now we have to care the cattle, isn't it? Otherwise they will be infected, they will get diseases, then the economical use will be useless, then we cannot use the cattle for economic purposes. So cattle farming consists of four components. One is that means we have to give food, shelter, grooming, and protection from diseases. Clear? So first, shelter. How will give the cattle shelter? It should be spacious enough to provide space for each animal. It should be clean, dry, and well ventilated. It should have proper arrangement for the disposal of animal waste. It should protect animals from rain, heat, and cold. Next is food. What food we should give to the cattle is clear. Like it should contain roughage which is obtained from coarse and fibrous substances like fodder, hay, straw. This helps in proper digestion in animals. So next point is, under food, the next point is it should contain concentrates which is low in fiber, clear, but rich in proteins and other nutrients. Clear? Oilseed cake, gram husk, etc. are the common example of concentrate. They are harmful sorry, they are helpful in enhanced milk production. That means if we give oil seed cake, gram husk, these are the oil seed cake and gram husk, then and it enhances the milk production of the cattle. Clear? Like roughages are also there. Next is grooming. Grooming means cattle should be cleaned regularly. They have to be groomed. Clear? Their skin should be brushed properly to avoid many insects to live on their body. Understood? Their skin should be brushed properly to avoid any insects to live on their body. There should not be any insects. Next is protection from diseases. Before discussing protection, we have to know about other factors related to diseases of cattle. So these are the diseases of cattle. Number one is the diseases of dairy animals are broadly classified into following categories. Number one, diseases caused by parasite. Next is communicable infectious diseases, and next is non-communicable infectious diseases. So the first point will come through. We'll discuss first point, the diseases from dairy animals. Clear? So these are broadly classified into four, as I have said. Diseases caused by parasite. One is communicable diseases or infectious diseases, and is non-communicable or non-infectious diseases. So under diseases caused by parasite, there are external parasite like tick mite, lice, and internal parasite are worms. Next is communicable or infectious diseases. These are caused by pathogens like bacteria, virus, and fungi. And non-communicable or non-infectious diseases that caused by deficiency of nutrients or malfunctioning of body organs. Now, what are the symptoms of sick animals? How we can know that this particular animal is sick? What are the symptoms? Animals show slow body movement and become inactive. They become inactive. Animal may pass loose dung and colored urine. Animal's body may start shivering. The milk yield or walking capacity of animal is reduced. Prevention of, so these are the certain points. Next we come to prevention of cattle disease. How will prevent it? Clear? The animal should be kept in spacious, cleaned and well ventilated place. It should give proper nutritious food. Animal should be vaccinated at regular intervals. Clear? So vaccination should be done for animals. So whatever I have taught, like in the cattle farming, you'll have to study the different breeds of cattle. What are the economic importance? Like here mostly I've discussed about the cow. So from the cow, the economic importance is quantity and quality of milk, isn't it? Because milk is drinked by human beings also. So milk quantity and quality has to be focused. So they have there are different breeds like indigenous are there, exotic are there, and one more is their hybrid breed. So hybrid breed is the mixture or crossing of indigenous and exotic. Clear? That means human beings will perform any type of crossing in order to obtain their economic benefits. Understood? So what are the homework questions? Let's see. Define animal husbandry, define cattle farming, name the different diseases of cattle, name the types of food given to the cattle, and which method is commonly used for improving cattle breed and why. So student, these are the homework questions. So very important slides I have made. Follow it, study. Thank you students. Thank you students. This was all about the entire field lecture. Here we discussed about the topic cattle farming from the chapter Improvement in Food Resources. So I'm Shomji sir signing off for today, and again we'll meet in the next class. Thank you students.